Harnessing the healing power of frequencies. How sound influences our well-being. Welcome to another episode of DRS Research. Imagine your body as a finely tuned instrument, vibrating with life even in stillness. Every organ within you hums at its unique frequency, harmonizing to create the symphony of your existence. But when this harmony falters, when your body's frequency dips below 58 MHz, the dissonance begins and disease takes root. Remarkably, our world offers a remedy as ancient as sound itself. Sound healing harnesses specific frequencies, reintroducing them into our bodies to restore our natural resonance. It's like tuning a piano, but the instrument is your body, and the music is your health. At the heart of this healing practice is the power of 40 Hz. This special frequency is a key player in combating ailments such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and chronic pain, offering a beacon of hope through vibration. Each organ, from your heart to your liver, operates within its own frequency range. Just like adjusting to the right radio station, aligning an organ's frequency can enhance its function and vitality. Our environment constantly influences our body's frequencies, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Staying physically fit and tuned into our surroundings can help maintain our optimal frequency. Imagine integrating sound healing into your life, where a simple harmony can recalibrate your body's frequencies, nurturing each organ back to health. Embrace the resonance of healing, where sound isn't just heard but felt, weaving through every cell, guiding your body back to its natural state of harmony and health. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fine-tuned. Thank you very much.